Hi, my dear friends. So we are Sky Technologies. So today's class we are going to see the work center configurations in that particularly standard value key. Okay. So today's class we are going to see the configuration steps involved in a standard value key. So first of all we have to check what is a standard value key. See, standard value key is nothing but it is used to link the work center and standard values of operation which is to be used in a routing. Okay, so this can be contains parameters like setup, machine, labor. So that kind of setups it was available. Okay, so and we can able to maximum use 6 standard parameters only in a standard value key. Okay, so we are going to the I will take you through the standard value key screens. First we can able to see in a work center level. First cr02 I am taking to see there is this is a standard value key which is already available for SAP provider normals production. So this is the one. So when we are selecting the standard value key, it is automatically having the standard key functions of setup, machine and labor keys. Okay. So the same way we are going to configure the another standard value key. Okay. So for that we can use the T code as for before that for standard value we can able to we have to create standard parameter first, then after standard value we have to create. For creation of standard parameters we can use the T code as OP7B and standard value key we can use a T code as OP19. Okay, so let me taking through the configuration steps first. So already we are going to see in a production. So then there is a basic data, then work center. In that general data there itself we can see standard value. So there is two things available, one is standard parameter and other one is a standard value key. Okay, so first we have to define the parameters first. So how we are going to define? So parameter is nothing but so with all the things we are considering for setuping the standard value, so that is called simply we can mention parameters. Okay, for example labor time, setup time, machine. So these are the simple parameters we can able to check. Let me show you to create of standard value key for the parameters. For example we are going to select this setup and I am copying this and I can change this name as for example SAP PP 210, like that I am changing. Then I can mention this parameter text which I was going to be used for machine breakdown. I'm simply say I can put BD. Okay, so machine breakdown, like that I will mention. So the same I can copy here also the keyword. So for that here I am using the dimension as time and standard value is value of unit is nothing but hour. Okay, so I'm giving enter. So I'm saving. So which is asking for tr. So for that work center configuration I'm planning to use separate tr. So I'm using work center configurations. Please mention a particular names, means it will good for releasing and checking purpose and all. So let me save this. So this tr will be saved under work center configuration and I am saving this. Now my parameter is created, nothing this is nothing but ZPP 210. So I'm copying this parameter and I'm going to use in a standard value key here. So here there is a one more standard value key is available. So no problem, I will copy this same thing. So and I'm going to use my standard value key here, parameter here, and I change it as like what I want. Convention PP7 for testing purpose. I have taken this. I am giving a enter. So this item is copied. The standard value key, which is I have created, and I'm going to save this with respect to the TR of work center configuration. So it was saved. Let me check in a configurations how it is working in a work center. So here I'm going to change this work center as what I have done, that is nothing but as a PP7 normal test production. So if I am changing like that means, see, I have done the standard value key change here. So I have created the machine breakdown, it was available here, and I can choose the thing whatever I want. The same way this is also available default values. So here I am going to use hours, scheduling, then costing. So if at all the activity type is available, it will be available here, which will be given by FICO team. So these are the settings which can be able to do with our configuration of standard value key in a work center. Okay, so thank you guys. We will see the work center configuration of with respect to formulas. We'll see by next video. Thank you for your time.